Alright, in this short little video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload a YouTube video for your students to watch through your Google Classroom. And so I've gone to my Google Classroom, and we're just going to click on the Add button. Click on Create an Assignment. We'll just title this line video. Instructions will just be to watch it. Will be ungraded. And then to upload this video to your classroom, all you do is click on the add link, go to the video that you want to upload, copy, and paste. Add that link, and it shows up right here. And then you can just click on the assign. And it will go out to all your students just like this.